What if I told you your abandoned carts are worth thousands of dollars every month? A customer visits your Shopify store, adds products to cart, gets this close to buying, and disappears. Just like that, your revenue is gone. Most Shopify stores lose thousands every month from abandoned carts. And the worst part? Emails get ignored, SMS gets skipped, retargeting ads get expensive. Meanwhile, your potential customers are buying from someone else. Imagine if your store could instantly call abandoned customers. Talk to them like a real sales rep, answer questions, handle objections, and encourage them to complete their order automatically.
I noticed you left these items in your cart. I can apply a discount for you right now and answer any questions.
Oh, that sounds great. Thank you.
That's exactly what Ringlee AI does. Ringlee uses AI voice calls and smart SMS follow-ups to recover abandoned carts for your Shopify store. It turns lost visitors into paying customers, completely on autopilot. More recovered orders, more completed checkouts, more revenue for your Shopify business. Install Ringlee AI today and stop letting abandoned carts steal your sales.